This muck has been banged.
Bang. Smack. Bang, bang, bang. Smack. Bang, bang, bang. Smack. Bang, bang, bang. What it is? Always eating good as K-Red being back at it with another muck. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. I need an extra bang bangs. Because I'm at 1,000 subscribers. Huh? But man, tap into this shit, bro. Tell you, man. This the new wave, baby. And you are wavy. Tell you so. For 1,000 subscribers, I'm just literally just a plate for me because I'm hungry, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing nothing special today. I was gonna do my B-Love Smackalicious sauce, but no. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow, man. Today I'm focusing on myself. Always eat good. That's K-Red Bean. Huh? That's me. You know what I'm saying? I'm focusing on me, man. So I'm gonna treat myself. Now I'm not gonna be out. I'm not gonna put myself up there with like the people that's actually, you know, grinding on YouTube, man. Cause that's what it takes. Literally, they just want to see the grind, and that's just with anything. That's just with anything, man. But I'm ready to get up in this thing, though. Ready to get up in this thing. Now this is the king crab seafood boil. Lobster tail, I got a king crab. Like I said, I just picked out a little something out of my whole thing. You know, I ain't want to sit there and be eating out of stuff I ain't even about to, you know what I'm saying? But eating out of something I ain't even know I'm not going to finish. So yeah, I'm going to get into it. I'm rambling because this is my season for grace, for favor. Yeah, so nobody. Lord, let this be nourishing to my body. Anything in that can harm me, that should cleanse it, won't harm me in Jesus' name. Amen. But yeah, man. I'm trying. All right. Let me calm down, man. I feel like a actual YouTuber right now, man. I had the seafood boil. I had the B-Love Smackalicious sauce. I ain't eating it right now, but I got it. It's an option. What you talking about? Man, I had the shrimp sitting in the sauce like how B-Love do it. Come on, man. Man. I'm telling y'all right now, 2020, don't let nobody knock you off your square at all. I don't care what they try to do. I don't care what they try to do or what one up they think they got on you. You know what I'm saying? People will use the most trifling things just to get you out of character, just to see you pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Just to knock you down to their level. Don't let them do that. You can't do that. You gotta take care. God bless and be easy, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Let me go ahead and get up in here, man. Y'all, as y'all can tell, I'm super excited. Boy. Shrimp boil. Little slurp, bro. Pause. Phrases, I know. But still, man. Y'all know about that. If y'all see the videos, man. Y'all know how long I've been watching. I've been watching videos like these. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm watching videos like these, man. Like 3, 4 years. I'm gonna give y'all a bite. I know I said it's about me, but it's not. It's about y'all. Cause y'all the subscribers. How dare I? I'm so sorry. Please, don't. Don't unsubscribe. And this one, this one got a lot for y'all. Look at that. You got it? Good. Yeah. And these shrimp deveined. Tell y'all gotta watch out for that. Y'all gotta watch out for that. Okay? Watch out for that though. Oh, chaser. But no, this big boy right here. Look at that. I don't even know. That's just the claw. That's just the claw. Lobster tail. A little lobster tail. Y'all see it when I break it down. But these shrimps, though. Damn. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah. Back to you guys. My beautiful, beautiful, beautiful street prophets out there. Y'all want to be street prophets? Or do y'all want to be SKs? You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to be SKs, SK Red Beams? All right. Nah, y'all can't be that. But no. It's about y'all, man. I appreciate it. I do it for y'all. And on the back burner, I do it for me. Because I like doing it. But I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Like, when I seen that notification pop up, 1K subscribers? Huh? Do you know how long I done had a YouTube channel? Huh? Since like 2009, 2008. Whenever I joined Facebook, 2008. I done had a YouTube since 2008, bruh. And lady, bruh. Like, when they say consistency, it is. It's key. And I know y'all probably hear that all the time, but they say it because, I mean, who's not gonna keep telling you the truth? Like, how you gonna get tired of hearing the truth? You can't. But consistency. That's all you need. Consistency. And to be patient. You gotta be patient. You gotta be patient though. Cause I'm still gonna grind. And I still gotta grind. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get up in this corn. That's a whole heaping of garlic right there. My goodness. And this chair is actually a chair that my man's, y'all look at the Al Kebab mukbang I did. That guy I'm sitting next to, that's who put this chair together. Look at this shit, bro. No sense, should be that loose. Oh, I got this from Faux Crab in Warren on the Quinder. The Quinder ain't something. But I'm thinking, well, that, oh, there we go. That's what I get for reading into stuff. But this whole time, because I never had it. This is my first time having it. But I was making it seem like it was a black-owned restaurant, huh? Y'all like, oh, y'all want to they for the people and stuff like that. I'm gonna put not black-owned. The food good though. The food real good. Oh yeah, Super Bowl. Super Bowl. Yeah. Yeah. What is the Pistons versus the Bears? Yeah. Who y'all got your money on? I think the Bears might take it. Even though the Pistons my people, but I think the Bears might take it. So in other words, I don't keep up with it. I don't keep up with that stuff, man. I don't keep up with that stuff. I don't know how y'all keep up with it. Ain't no way in hell y'all got that much time. Ain't no way in hell. Unless y'all reading the newspaper. Now, if y'all do it, if y'all taking it back and reading the newspaper, all right. Y'all actually sitting down watching games and stuff. You know what I mean? You ain't got nothing. Well, you know, I can put money in your pocket. That's all I'm doing. Trying to do. What's up, Zoe? What's up, Paul? You go right down there? Oh, yeah. I had an egg, too. I ain't never, I love eggs. Never did them in the seafood boil. This is my, the last, with the crawfish, excuse me. The seafood boil I did with my cousin, Stuck Up Hannah. It was like the intermediate level of seafood boil. Huh? What you know you got? Oh my God, what's going on? What, Zoe? Zoe, I had 1,000 subscribers. Come on now. We got 1,000 people we gotta entertain. And you down there huffing and puffing? We can't do that. We can't do that. Matter of fact, I gotta do this on already. But yeah, this is like the intermediate level of seafood boil. That was. But this right here, like I said, y'all seen the bag. This not everything. I'm talking about I can do a mother seafood boil for like the next 2 days. That junk do get up in there. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hell no. Hell no. I can actually relate to the big YouTubers. I've been watching. What? I be sitting there like, that junk ain't that good. She's sitting there. I'm gonna tell you, anybody that come to my comments talking about something ain't good, I'm gonna just tell you, try it. Try it. That's it. I'm gonna tell you to try it. I'm gonna try it. I just came on here to say, I love you. You know what I'm saying? For real, man. For real, man. I thank God, my Heavenly Father, Jesus Christ. I thank y'all for what? In the same sentence, SK? Damn. Look, I thank God, my Heavenly Father, Jesus Christ. I thank y'all, my subscribers. What is it, 1.2, 1.3 y'all? I can't forget about the 0.3. What you mean? Huh? Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. But, thank y'all. Thank you. I will. Now this big boy right here. Oh my goodness. Hey, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you feel up to it, share it too. You know? I would really appreciate it. It'll help me grow. Which means my content will grow better. Because it's already good. It's just got to grow better. You know, get better. But, and y'all comment down and y'all let me know what y'all want. Talk to me. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, say something.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me. But let me get up in here. I had a crab leg in my hand and a pair of scissors. You can't tell me I ain't no mukbanger. Golly. Oh, they are sharp. Y'all ain't never lied about that. Excuse me if that's loud on the headphones, but y'all ain't never lied about that, though. I'm back to this sharp. Oh, shit. Let me see. I ain't getting no lemon or nothing. Oh my God. Look, well, I'm glad I'm not doing B-Love Smackalicious sauce. Cause she'll be doing me. I didn't know dang on lemon. I thought it was some of that little, I don't know, little garlic might be sneaking up in there. Like, I literally just, I take that raw. Freezes, SK. God. I like crab meat the way it is. That still sounds a little, I feel, all right. I'm done. I'm good in here. Man, I don't, hey. Think whatever you want to think. Yeah. It don't matter what the hell I do. Y'all don't think with it. Y'all want to think anyway, so shoot. But I didn't like the way that came out. That's just me personally. I'm all about you gotta mind your tongue. Come on, Jack Strength. What the fuck? I'm trying to get like a nice little chop so I can put it up next to everything. Oh, that's nice. I mean, it ain't, come on now. It's like king crab is what we know. With the claw. Y'all don't know about that. Y'all don't know about no Jim Carrey. Y'all don't know about no Jim Carrey. Huh? Oh, damn. Come on. Come on. Come on, get up in there. I know I probably was supposed to have took this off, but I was ready to get up in here. Like I said, I just bought this to eat on. I'm getting a different crab seafood boil tomorrow for hers. Miss B Love Smackalicious spicy sauce review. Well, that's just what I got. Don't laugh, shit. We do get a lot of food. I ain't gonna lie. But why out of all this, well, out of all what y'all saw earlier, oh man, I don't know how to deal with this. All right, food, they gonna give us two damn eggs and 2 corns. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, man, if you don't go ahead, I said, can you throw some more in there? Shit. What is that? It's that claw. Okay. What's that? Is that fat? That's what be love. She don't like. We gotta slurp that too, beloved. Phrases, I'm sorry. But oh my eye. Oh my God. Hold on, I'm trying to make it good so I get up in there. But yeah. Oh my God. I had nothing but meat up in there. Come here. Man. This ain't that tough though. But shell, you can get up in there if you want to. All up in the all up in here, all up in there, all up in there. Try to get that. Oh hell no. Damn. So sexy. Y'all so goddamn cute. Cause look at that big. Damn. Y'all so goddamn cute. I ain't just saying that because you got me 1,000 subscribers. For real. I meant that at 304. Shit. I mess with y'all. No, for real. I mess with y'all. Because y'all mess with me. Excuse-moi. Excuse me. What am I do this egg though? Hold on. Probably. Oh, if y'all hear some like, that's literally, yeah, eating something saucy, y'all probably like, what the hell so crunchy? No, it's not. No. I'm grinding my teeth a lot. It is messy. Lobster tail. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this. Not right now. I mean, it's like, look, y'all shit. And the people come after y'all, this shit. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I'm in love. Thank you. I love you. Who am I in love with? Who do I love? You silly. Come on. Get with the program. Man. Y'all get with the program. Huh? Man. I don't be caring. Well, they say when in Rome. All right. Like it's all in the crevices. Man, look, I do want to work on a name though. Like, for y'all. I mean, I like my street profits. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all gonna go tell it on the mountain for me, right? I don't think I'm God. I take that back. Look, I call y'all street profits. Because y'all don't go out on the street. You gotta tell people stuff. That's how that's how stuff get around word of mouth. Prophesying on the street. Now, ain't no false prophets. Nah. Get up out of here. We don't do that. But yeah, I don't know. We can work on the name. You know. Y'all leave them comments down below too. Talk to me. Talk to me. Say something. Say something. I'm giving up. All right, yeah. As always. Eat good. SK Red Bean. Take care. God bless. Be easy. So you know what I'm about to say? But if it's too easy, don't die.
This muck has been banged.
Bang. Smack. Bang, bang, bang. Smack. Bang, bang, bang. Smack. Bang, bang, bang. Nobody else to say.